Some customers ask if we can make pellets with vegetable. One farmer has some goats and cattle and wants to make pellets with wheat starch, corn straw, and vegetables. Today I will test our pelletizer with this material. Here is 260 pelletizer and the die is 5mm whole size. This is dry wheat straw and a little corn. First, we test the machine with the normal material without vegetable. Look at pellets made of dry wheat straw and corn. No additional water, no vegetable. Pellets looks very nice. Hardness is also very good. Now, I will add some vegetables into the material. Let me cut the cabbage first. This is cutted cabbage. Here is dry wheat straw. Add a little corn. Add a little cabbage. Since cabbage has so much water, we cannot add very much cabbage. Mix them with hands if you have a mixer. That will be more convenient. Also, you can add potatoes, radish, cucumbers, and other vegetables. It is okay now. Drop them into the hopper and make pellets. I can feel that it is easier to make pellets now. Let us compare these two recipes with cabbage and without cabbage. This one is with cabbage. It has high water content and the pellet is a little soft. So we had better put pellets in the sun to remove some water. Otherwise, it will be moldy after a few days. If you feed animals in very short time, you do not need to remove water. Here is pellets without vegetables. We can store them for a long time. Of course, with vegetables is more nutritive. In next video, I will show you how to make pellets with 40% water. If you are interested with our pelletizer, please contact us.